Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Assetto Corsa with Traffic Online. First, you will need Content Manager, a free, essential tool for easily managing your game and mods. Next, install the Custom Shaders patch, which unlocks many graphical improvements and enables traffic functionality. Finally, gather some traffic-ready tracks and car packs from reputable modding sites to populate your virtual roads. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth experience. The Custom Shaders patch is fundamental, as it powers the advanced AI traffic and visual effects you will encounter. For truly immersive weather and lighting, consider installing a weather mod such as Sol, which is free or pure, a paid option offering superior visuals. Remember, these two weather mods cannot be used simultaneously. Crucially, your chosen tracks must include specific AI traffic lines for cars to spawn and drive correctly. To join an online traffic session, navigate to the Online tab within Content Manager. Here, you will find a list of available servers. Many of the most popular traffic servers, like those for the Assetto Revival project, require specific car and track modifications. It is highly recommended to join the server's Discord community. They often provide direct download links and essential information for all required content, making the installation process much smoother. To fine-tune your traffic experience, adjust the AI car count and aggression settings within Content Manager. You can set the number of opponents from 12 to 16 for a balanced flow, or increase it for denser traffic. Experiment with various camera angles, like a bumper cam or interior view, for heightened immersion. Finally, stay connected with the Assetto Corsa modding community. They are a fantastic resource for discovering new tracks, cars, and servers to keep your online traffic adventures fresh and exciting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.